Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Today, another in our wide world of food. So if you've watched us, you know that we're pretty brand loyal. We'll find a brand and stick with it. Anytime I make broth, I use Better Than Bouillon. Anytime I use mayo, I use Kewpie. Why? Because we tried it, we loved it, we thought it was the best. Better ingredients, better food. So that's the way we went. So today, I saw an ad for some premium ramen noodles. Now, we've probably all had that point in our life where we survived on ramen noodles because they were only 10 cents a package. But these are premium ramen noodles, so I want to give them a try. And also, if you watch us, you know we love our Ninja products, so I'm going to use the Ninja Possible Cooker today to do this. So behind me in my big ass Lodge cast iron skillet, I have already browned a pound of ground beef and a pound of ground pork. Now let's get the rest of the ingredients together. What we're going to add to this, now stir fry, right? Add what's for you. If you like snow peas, I don't at all, but add them. If you like bamboo shoots, add them. So I got some jarred baby corn here, but they're a little big. I'm going to cut these into thirds using my badass Dow Strong Japanese chef's knife. This monster's 10.25 inches. I like the bigger knife. Makes me feel in charge of something at least. I've got some jarred mushrooms. Now, if it were up to me and down in the recipe it says straw mushrooms, that's the kind I'd prefer, but alas, I cannot find them in the Valley of the Sun. Speaking of recipes, as always, loyal viewers, all the ingredients, their amounts, and directions are down below in the description section. Next thing I'm going to prep a couple carrots. We're going to cut these into matchsticks. All right, carrots good to go, pushed aside. Now I'm going to cut a orange bell pepper and a red bell pepper into strips. Alrighty, now last of our knife work, we're going to cut up about 4 to 6 scallions, or green onions if you're not sophisticated. All right, the hard part's all done. Now all those vegetables we just messed with go into the pot. Along with some shredded cabbage. I cheated on this one and got it pre-shredded.
Clever. Devilishly clever.
And then just spread it everywhere. Okay, I am holding back my water chestnuts. I love these because of the texture and I want them to have that crispiness. So we're going to wait till the very end to add these when we add the noodles. Going to get a little bit of ginger paste in there. Of course, a little bit of garlic paste. Going to add my ground meat to the pan. Now, my friends, we shall construct the sauce. Already in my bowl here, I have my brown sugar. Then I'm going to add 4 cups of beef broth made with the Better Than Bouillon. And 1 cup of soy sauce. So we're using premium ramen noodles, so I'm going to use premium soy sauce. We shall whisk all that together until the brown sugar is dissolved. Going to add that to our Ninja Foodie Possible. Going to give all that a quick stir to mix it all up. Now we shall place the lid, set this to low and let it go for about 4 to 6 hours. We'll see you then when it's time to add the water chestnuts and the noodles and then get some judgment from the director. Most likely, maybe somebody else, probably her. We'll see you then. Alrighty, we're 15 minutes out from eating time. So now I'm gonna add my water chestnuts to make sure they stay good and crunchy, the way I like them. Then we're going to add those premium ramen noodles. Momofuku. I hope I didn't offend anyone, but Momofuku says it right there. I'm going to add 4 packs of these. Not going to add the seasoning, just the noodles. Ooh, they look premium. Make sure and get these good and submerged, and then in 15 minutes, we will be ready for some judgment from the director. We'll see you then. Alrighty, noodles are all done. Now it is time for judgment. Whether or not it tastes good, it's pretty, like the director. How did we do?
Very good. Some meat. Very good.
Alrighty.
Definitely got to add some heat to it, but if you don't like heat, it's beautiful.
All right, so yep, this was heat-free. Add your chili sauce to it if you want some heat. There you go, director. As she's doing that, thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed it. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.